Hello guys, so today I'm here with another slime video. Of course, this channel is all about slime. And so today I'm actually going to be making some slime with the Elmer's Slime Starter Kit. And so it contains a 5-ounce clear glues, and it also has some glitter pens, plus 2 bottles of magical liquid. I think that's the activator. And then I'm going to read the instructions. It says, pour out an entire bottle of 5 fluid ounces Elmer's clear school glue into the container. Add your choice of Elmer's glitter glue pen and mix. Mix until color is evenly mixed in bowl. Add 1 bottle of Elmer's magical liquid. Mix until mixture gets harder to mix and slime begins to form. Take the slime out, begin kneading with both of your hands. Next, I will be opening the box. Unboxing it. Let's go. I have scissors here. Guess I'll just cut right there. That works. Okay, so we have we have 2 bottles of the activator. It's called Magical Liquid. And we have here the glitter glue pens and the star of the show, clear glue, 2 bottles. So let's get right into making the slime. So the first step is to pour out the whole bottle of the Elmer's clear glue into the container. I have a bowl. And then the second step is to add your choice of Elmer's glitter glue pen and mix. So I'm actually going to only be using a little bit of clear glue because I don't have that big of a container, and these 2 are my glitter glue pens over here. I chose blue and silver. And so I guess I'll just put some glue in. Whew. Okay, that's good. Put some glitter in. Some more glitter. And then I will be getting my chopstick to mix. Oh, never mind, it's a spork. I think I want a little more silver, so I'll go ahead and add that right onto there. Yes. Good. It's actually really easy to mix the glitter. And then I actually already did the 3rd step, which is to mix the ingredients until the color is evenly mixed into the bowl. And then the 4th step is to add 1 whole bottle of Elmer's magical liquid right here. And because I only used a little bit of the clear glue. I'll only be using a little bit of the activator. Let's go with that first. Oh, it's activating. It's activating. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, that slime. Maybe. Yeah, I think I need a little more. All right. This is step 5, to mix until the mixture gets harder to mix and slime begins to form. And right now, I think slime's already beginning to form. Yeah, it's already beginning to form. I think a little more activator would go well. Oh. Okay, see how it goes. Nice. Ugh, I made a mess. But I wouldn't call this a fail. This is actually pretty good slime. Let's see what else. Oh, this is pretty good slime. Very stretchy. Yeah, so I'd call this a success. Right now, this is step number 6, where you take the slime out and begin kneading it with both of your hands. Yeah, this is pretty good slime, guys. Okay guys, so this is what the slime looked like 10 minutes after I finished kneading it. And so it looks pretty cool and it's very stretchy, a little sticky, but it's just like normal slime. And so I would definitely recommend this slime starter kit to a friend because the kit actually works. Like, yeah. And that's all I ever need in a kit for the kit to actually work. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I think you should try the slime starter kit too because, like I said, it works.